Guys, so I was scrolling through TikTok and I saw a post someone made about what a top recruiter shared on Reddit about how to actually find a job in 2026. Like jobs that are not expired and that are from different platforms all in one place just using Google. And according to the person that posted this, she said that this post actually went viral. So you guys know me, I'll always come and share it with you so you can also take advantage of it and start using it to get that job of your dream. So that being said, I know that before now, most people will always use Google to search for Indeed, and then from Indeed they start looking for jobs, or they go to LinkedIn and all those job boards. Now, the problem with those job boards is you may find jobs that are actually hiring, but they may have expired, and you might not really know. And you guys know that LinkedIn is a social media platform. So the algorithm will always work in favor of any post that gets engagement. So you might not really be seeing those that are open immediately. And sometimes when you see them, they have already had like 100 applicants already apply to those jobs. So that is where it is quite competitive and it is stressful using those platforms. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what this recruiter said and how you can actually stand a better chance of getting that job of your dream by simply doing what I'm going to share with you right now. So to get started, you're going to go to Google and search for Google Jobs. Now, while you're searching for the Google Jobs, you're going to see things like this. You're even going to see Google Careers. That is for jobs that are for Google as a company. But that is not our interest. So you're going to see all these other things, but you just go to job search on Google and get your job posting on Google today. So once you have done that, this is for people that have job boards that want to post jobs on LinkedIn. But for an average person who wants to get a job, you can actually use this by viewing live. Now, because you're viewing live, it's going to show you jobs that are available in your location or that are available based on these filters here. So you can filter it based on job offers, job posting sites. Like if you're interested in any site, like you can see here, there is Indeed and there is this other job board and all these things. Now the good thing about this is it can be set such that the jobs you're going to be seeing are the jobs that are in your location. So you can see images, you can see English speaking, night shifts, part time, driving, cleaning, different types of job. You can click on these drop down arrows. You can find full time, part time, contract, apprenticeship jobs. Now, if you check any of these jobs, you will see that the jobs here were posted like a day ago, like in the last 24 hours. So you can see these ones, they were posted this one was 4 days ago. So one was, but you can see that the ones that are recent are on the top, so you can easily see it and everything here. So if you're interested in any of this job, you can actually apply. Now you can actually, tailor this job search to suit the specific skill you want by typing. Maybe you can say US design jobs near you. You can say US design Google jobs, or you can name any skill at all you have and type it on Google, so you can find jobs like that. Or you can do generic like I'm doing right now, so that if you see the specific one you want that are hiring, then you can actually use it. So with this now, you can find, if you're interested as an accounting officer, you can apply to this one, you know, if it's available for you in your location. So this is the way these things work. So this is quite cool because your eyes will not be on every platform at the same time. But with this, you can actually have your eyes on all the platforms because it is Google, which is a search engine. You can see that the jobs posted from different platforms in the last 24 hours and beyond are actually here. So it saves you a lot of stress. All you have to do is just to take action to apply. Now, the second thing the recruiter mentioned was how to go through with your CV and prepare yourself for interview. And in that post, he mentioned another site. So the name of the site is tvgood.dev. This is an AI platform from everything I have seen so far here. So this is another platform where you can actually upload your CV, you upload the job description, then it can help you review your CV here. But this one will ask you for credits. So here is, you can use it to prepare for interview. We just post the job offer. It's going to generate interview questions that you can answer or you can use to prepare yourself. Then you can do all these things here with this, and at the end it's going to give you analysis report, so you can know how you can potentially perform in the job opportunity you are preparing for. Now, in addition to helping you to prepare for job opportunities, you can also find jobs here. Like this one, you can see this one is software engineer, this one is admin coordinator, and these other jobs here, if you keep scrolling down. So here, then you can also do find jobs. So these are the jobs they have available. You can filter these jobs here by clicking filter. Maybe you change the country or you change the role or anything in this place. So you can know what exactly to apply. Now, I can see that most of the jobs here are for people in France, so it's not something that is worldwide. But regardless of where you are, as long as you have a job opening you're preparing for, you can come onto this website and analyze your CV. And if you don't have any resume, I've prepared a 12 in 1 job application bundle that you can use to prepare your resume. It is ATS friendly. Then you can put everything together and you can use it to come make your analysis here before you start applying, and of course prepare for your interview. So the reviews I've gotten from people that have used it has been amazing. So you might want to check it out. And if you saw value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for other remote jobs you might want to do, or AI training jobs, do well to check out this video showing on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.